What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back giving another pickup. And today, as you can tell, we have multiple pairs of the Yeezy 450 in the resin colorway. These, of course, are a pair of shoes that are very, very similar to what we've already done. If you guys remember, in the last time we did these, they came out in an all black colorway. Well, that colorway came back out as well as this colorway, the resin. Now, when you see this, the first thing you notice when you open this box, you see right here, made in Germany. So you know it has that good quality. And let's get right into it. Now, this shoe in particular is just shoe that I promise you guys, I promise you, when you see it in person, it's such a much better shoe than looking on the computer or looking at it through pictures or on your phone. So what stands out most to me about this shoe is the EVA foam, which is the whole exoskeleton of the whole shoe. Some people see flames. To me, I see like a skeleton bone almost. And like I said, with the skeleton bone, usually you have what's on one side is identical to what's on the other side. And that's what this shoe does right here on this design. So right here at this spot, this location, this little cuff right here, is literally right here on this side as well. Now, the prime knitting that they choose to go with, the color on this one is called, it's a muted olive green prime knitting. So this prime knitting, of course, matches the sneakers and it matches the sole right here. And of course, since this is not Boost, you still have a pair of Yeezy soles. You use the Ortholite, which is right here, same color as the shoe, and you flip it over and you have more Ortholite right here branding. Now, if you guys notice on this tag, you might not have noticed, I went with a size 11 on these. That's because these run very, very small. If you guys remember the previous video, I had an all black colorway. They were a 10.5, and I broke those in, and they fit a lot more comfortable than they did when I first purchased them. But they're still small. So when they got 11 this time, and I tried these on, and it fit much, much better. Now, this particular shoe, I think is a sleeper because it looks much, much better in person, and that's one of the reasons we're doing a giveaway for it. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again. Today is another special day. Today, I went ahead and brought myself a brand new 2022 in the year 21. That's just my way of celebrating myself, finally reaching 100,000 views. And of course, I would be nothing without y'all. So we had to do a giveaway. Today's giveaway, you see it? We got stuff on stuff on stuff on stuff on stuff. So, just like we did last year, we'll do another giveaway. All you guys got to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on IG, send me a screenshot, and boom, you're in the win for the drawing. So, good luck to you guys, and like I said, once again, appreciate all the love and support. 100 down, another 100 to go.